Hello everyone, welcome to the AutoCAD Beginner Series. Still moving objects from the Home tab? That's one of the slowest ways. Let me show you the fastest method using the Move command. First, select the object you want to move. Type M, press Enter. Choose a base point. Move your cursor to the new location and click. That's it, your object has been moved. Here is another quick way. Select the object, click and hold this grip point. Now drag it to the new location. This method is quick for simple adjustments. But for precise placement, I recommend using the Move command. M is the shortcut for Move command. Once you get used to it, you will use it almost every day in AutoCAD. That's it for this tutorial.